Hey everybody, this is Arslan from Ars Dent Repair. Today I got a special delivery here. This box here comes all the way from Lafayette, Louisiana. Let's see what's inside. Let's go ahead and place it right here. All right, now we have a clear picture of what we had in the box. It's a motorcycle gas tank with a dent right here on the top. That's the dent that we got to work on. This motorcycle tank is from Harley Davidson 2017 Fatboy S, and this is what it looks like from the bottom, and this is what it looks like from the top. So this part here has to be removed so we can gain access to the back side of this dent. Alright guys, so we got disconnected this plate from the fuel system. Let's put this on the side, and now we have this nice wide opening. We can actually access this dent from the back side, and that's what I was looking for. Let's go ahead and mount this motorcycle tank on this vise. So as you guys can see, we installed this tank on a special vise. It's all secure now, it's not gonna go anywhere. And also I got this little stand right here, ratchet stand, that's supporting the tank from the other side, where I'm gonna be applying a lot of pressure on. So this is what it looks like, the reflection of the light. It looked like a crease damage. Let me just get it as close as possible. For this dent repair process, I'm going to be using this light duty dent dial bar that is 35-inch long. I'm gonna do some knockdown work, and I will switch to a sharper tip. We're all done with this dent repair. As you guys can see, this is our final result. This tank is put together and now it's ready to go. Probably be shipped out later today, but that's the final result. The dent was right here. This repair process took me about 2.5 hours, including mounting of this tank on a special vise. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to reply. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.